It is exciting that innovation has set in well at WUMA with inventions that integrate the entire economy. This is good for Uganda and aligns to the NRM ideology and historical mission of creation of an integrated, self-sustaining national economy. The industrial sector's contributions to Uganda's economic recovery continue to improve. I have learned of the following commendable developments. That's what the president is saying. 1, manufacturers consuming 70.2% of electricity produced in Uganda with a monthly demand growth of 40 megawatts. 2, 30.3% of national tax revenue contribution. When you give me money, you know what happens. 3, currently, manufactured goods constitute around 23% of all exports, affirming that Uganda is well positioned to achieve the 50% manufactured exports target by 2040.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.